Hey guys, welcome to Draw with Sandee at the Little Artistic Nook. Today we'll be drawing this cute little heart of hearts. Okay, so to start off our drawing, I'm just going to come in with a light pencil here to block out the shape. And what you're going to be drawing is a rough heart shape that is not symmetrical. So on the left I have sort of that raised curve, and then I'm going to extend that meeting point at the top almost towards the right and then come in with a shorter curve. Alright, and now I'm just going to trace over that shape with my marker here. So you can see it a little bit darker. What we're creating is that non-symmetrical heart, but it still looks like a heart shape. So just exaggerating the curve and the height on the left and then making it just a little bit smaller on the right side. So this drawing is based off of a little doodle I did last year for a little doodle challenge, and I just really loved the way it turned out, so I really wanted to share this with you all. Okay, so I'm just going to finish up my heart here, and then we're going to go ahead and just add in our details. So the first valve we're going to draw is going to come right in this little dip here between our left and right side. So what we're going to do is we're going to start by drawing a curve that's kind of going up towards the top right. Then you can create a little flat top that's angling back down towards the heart. And then finally you can create that mirrored curve coming all the way back to the top edge. Then just off the top of this first valve, I'm going to make a little horizontal rectangle here. And I'm leaving my lines a little disconnected just to keep a more loose feeling. Then we'll create our next little valve here just coming off the right, and it's going to look like a little square that's just at the top of our heart. And then we'll add in some little rectangles coming off the right side. Now just to the left of the first valve here on this sort of up curve of our heart, I'm going to draw a line that's coming up towards the top center of my page, and then from there I'm just going to angle it back down towards that first valve. Then just coming around the top and over that little point, I'm going to create 3 small rectangles, and they're all pointing sort of upwards, but also turning with the shape of our valve. So we're going to keep working our way to the left side of the heart. This time I'm going to create a rectangular shape, so just coming straight off the top of my heart here. Then drawing a horizontal line just towards the right, and we'll bring it back down to meet at the top of our heart. We'll add a little square just coming out of the left near the top of this valve, and then we're going to go and start to work our way down that left curved side. So over here, I'm just going to draw in a little curve that's reaching up towards the left corner, creating that little flat top, and then we're going to curve back down towards the side. And then just underneath this, coming off the side of our heart, I'm going to create sort of a rounded triangular shape, almost like an upside down cup with the opening touching the side of our heart. And we only have one more, this time coming off the bottom, so you're going to be to the left of the point here, and then create a rectangular shape that's sort of aiming down towards the bottom of your paper, maybe slightly tilting towards the left. And last but not least, we can go ahead and draw in a cute little face. So I'm going to start with a little oval for an eye on the left side, and I'm going to draw a smallish circle just across the top of the eye. And then just beneath that, I'm going to draw in a little heart, and these will be my highlights, and then I'm just going to color in around them both. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a little smile. So I'm going to have the smile come right in between my 2 eyes. So just a really simple sort of stretched out U shape. And then on the other side of this little mouth, I'll draw my second eye, creating my little oval, drawing in that circle at the top, and then a little heart underneath. And then of course, guys, if you find that your eyes are not the same size, kind of like mine are, I sometimes will just go back and make the smaller one a little bit bigger. And then for a final little detail, I'm just going to draw a small little heart, just like you would draw any heart, just here on the right side of its body. And that's our super cute heart of hearts. I hope you guys have a great Valentine's Day, and if you enjoyed this tutorial, please give it a thumbs up, share it, and don't forget to subscribe. And until next time, for another Draw with Sandee at the Little Artistic Nook, keep making art and keep smiling.